What's going on YouTube? It's Tyler here, and I'm going to do a quick little review about magicJack. For those of you that don't know what magicJack is, it's a voice over internet protocol phone system that allows you to essentially use what would be a landline over the internet, so it's a lot cheaper. Personally, I set up magicJack about 5 years ago at my father's house when he was tired of paying $50 to $60 a month for a landline that I barely used. I also set up at my grandfather's house, so I have the experience of setting up both times and can let you guys know everything about it. Now, the first thing I'm going to rate is setup, and setting up magicJack is incredibly easy. I give it a 5 out of 5 because all you have to do is plug it into your computer, follow the on-screen prompts. Before you know it, your phone service is activated and you can use it just like your regular home phone service. If you decide to port in your current phone number, you will need your account number, which is usually listed on the bill you receive from your phone company. If it's not, you just give them a call to get your account information. And then when you type in your account number, magicJack takes about 2 days to port in the number. Now, once the magicJack device is fully active, it takes about a few minutes if you're getting a new phone number and about 2 days if you're porting in your number. All you have to do is plug the magicJack into the power outlet. One part of the magicJack goes into the modem of your home internet service, and some of you may run into the issue where your modem only has one output, which is currently plugged into the computer. If this is the case, you have the option of either keeping the magicJack plugged into your computer at all times, which may not be feasible in all scenarios depending on how much you use your phone, or you can buy either a wireless router with the modem and one that usually has 4 or 5 outputs, or you can buy an adapter that takes the one Ethernet line that would be going into your computer and splits it into 2, 3, even 4 ports. For call quality, I give it a 4 out of 5 because most times magicJack sounds just like a regular phone line. You know, you can make calls, you can receive calls. If you port in your number, it's just like you had your own phone line, except you're not paying that much. However, one thing I did notice is if you are on a very basic internet plan and you have a bunch of people living in your household and they start using the internet and you're talking on the phone at the same time, essentially what it does is the internet slows down and magicJack tries to keep up with it. It'll cut out for maybe a split second or two every so often, but overall it's not that bad. Again, this mostly has to do with the internet connection speed and not magicJack. Next, I'm going to rate the overall quality of the physical magicJack device itself. It's a little device that plugs into your internet and allows you to get magicJack. I set one of these up for my father about 5 years ago and one for my grandfather about a year ago. My father has had 0 issues with the magicJack service itself, with the exception of once in a while someone would accidentally kick the line and the magicJack will get disconnected. Of course, you're not going to have service if the device isn't connected in the first place. However, my grandfather did have one issue which we originally thought was magicJack. Whenever he'd go to make a call, the people on the other end couldn't hear him, but when he received calls, there wasn't a problem. Now, in the instance of my grandfather, I did have to reach out to customer service when he had the problem of people couldn't hear him on the other end when he made calls. Customer service was fairly helpful, although I found it kind of hard to reach out to them physically. It's hard to find their 1-800 number. We were going through a chat system, and once I called the 1-800 number, they weren't really speaking the best English, like most companies in America. You know, customer service is outsourced, but they did try their best. Finally, I'm going to rate the overall value of magicJack, and I give it a 5 out of 5 because it's a great value. You can get the device for about $25 on Amazon. It includes a year of service. So even if you don't want to port in your number right away, you can always buy the magicJack and just start a new number and try it out for a few days, few weeks, see how you like it. And if you decide you want to port in your number, it's an extra $10 on magicJack's end to port in the number, and you find yourself saving hundreds of dollars a year. So that's my quick review about magicJack. Hopefully it was helpful to you, and if you have any questions in terms of both how magicJack works and setting it up, just leave it in the comments section. I'll be sure to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel for more cord cutting updates, and have an awesome day.